And walk through the doors, it's the morning of the very first day. He said, how's a clear friend you ain't seen in a while? And I say out of everybody's life. It's your freshman year, and you're gonna be here for the next 4 years in this town. Hoping one of us says you're going away. Well, we got you, you say I've seen you around before. 'Cause when you're 15 and somebody tells they love you, you gotta believe it. And when you're 15, feeling like there's nothing to figure out. Count to 10, take it in before you know you got to be. I think she in class next to a redhead named Abigail. Not the other girls who think they're so cool. And soon and the first day is yours. Oh, you like flying. And your mom's waiting up, and you think that he's the one dancing around me. Right in the night, and if I see everybody tells you they love you, you gotta believe it. And when you're 15, just like you, count to 10. How you wanted was to be walking, wish you could go. Tell yourself what you know now. I said I swore I was gonna marry someday. Isabel gave everything she had to a boy who changed his mind. Goodbye. 'Cause when you're 15 and somebody tells them you love them, you gotta believe it. 'Cause when you're 15, Deep breath and take a deep breath.